Hello everyone! This is Amazing Grace and welcome back again to my channel. So our pan is hot enough. Then we're going to add our first and foremost is the onion. And after that, we're gonna add the onion and then garlic. And then just saute. So guys, ayan, brown na yung ating garlic at translucent pa rin yung ating onion. Let's add our pork. And okay, until it's golden brown. So, saute lang tayo ng saute. And gisa lang ng gisa. This time guys, hindi ako mag-a-add ng potato. Dahil kahapon, patatas yung aming pagkain. So today, there's no potato. Just carrots, mais. Yeah, just a mix of vegetables. Without carrots. I mean, without any potatoes. Now guys, it's still sauteing and it's not yet 100% brown, but this time we can already add our lemongrass. It will give more extra aroma. And also this time we're going to add, we're not going to wait until it's really dry and brown. We're going to add our curry powder. So that the smell, the taste will be aromatic. There you go. And then just saute. Add more. Oops, I think I put it wrongly. There you go. That is enough curry powder. And then we're going to saute it again until it's really golden brown. Let's have it covered for 5 minutes.
A few moments later.
So ayan guys, I forgot. Nilagay ko na yung ating vegetables. Ayan. Kasi nag-premiere po ako and then may bisita. Ay, ewan ko na lang paano matutuloy. How could I do my vlogging without any disturbance or without anybody disturbing me? So ayan na guys. Ooh. Okay na yan siya. So the next thing that we're going to add is to add our coconut milk. The rest of the coconut milk. Just like that. And then spread. At this time guys, if you want it spicy, you can add the chili that you like, or before you fry, or you can fry it together with your meat. But this time I will not make it spicy, but I will have to add our long chili, the green chili, and then the rest of our vegetables. And then let's just cover it into 2 minutes, and our pork curry is 100%. Okay, this is going to be a creamy pork curry. So, after 2 minutes, guys, this is our pork curry. And now we can off the fire because I don't want our vegetables to be over. So we can have just mix. You see how creamy? Not so much sauce, which I like. And still our vegetables here are not really 100% soft, which I also like because I want it crunchy. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you learned something. So it's now time to serve the food. Dinner time.